This channel has uploaded only 69 videos, and it already has over 466,000 subscribers, making thousands of dollars every single month. And here's the crazy part. Most people think videos like this are complicated and expensive to produce, but they're not. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this style step by step using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. And yes, all the prompts used in this video are in the description below, and click likely. So let's start the video. Topic and script writing. First of all, copy the prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 10 viral topic ideas for you. Now, choose one topic and type, "Now, write a script for the second topic." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a fully detailed, engaging script for your video, creating prompts for visuals. Now, go to the Dr. Data channel and take screenshots of their visuals. Come back to ChatGPT, upload those screenshots, and paste another prompt asking it to recreate similar style visuals. ChatGPT will then generate detailed image prompts and image-to-video prompts for you. Next, copy the script and generate a voiceover using any AI voice generator. Since most of you already know how to create an AI voiceover, I won't go deep into that process. Visual creation. For image generation, we'll use Google AI Studio. Go to Google AI Studio and select the Nano Banana model since it's free. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Paste your image prompt and click Run. If the image isn't perfect, for example, if the skeleton isn't clearly visible, slightly adjust or regenerate the prompt and click Generate again. Once satisfied, repeat the same process to generate all the required images. Video generation. For turning images into videos, we'll use Meta AI because it's completely free. Upload your generated image, paste your image to video prompt, click Generate. Within seconds, Meta AI will create your video and the results are insane. Editing is very simple. Upload your voiceover into your editing software. Cut out all the silent parts. Then, place your generated videos according to the script. If a video clip is too short, slightly slow it down. If it's too long, trim it or increase the speed. And that's it. Your video is ready. After showing the result, one thing that the only difference between you and that 442K subscriber channel is action. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated, and then do nothing. But if you actually take action today, your channel could be the next one people talk about. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe because I'm going to share more AI secrets that nobody talks about. Now see the result.
What would happen if you never slept again? Hour 1. Nothing feels different. You're alert, focused, productive. Sleep feels optional. Hour 12. Your eyes burn. Your reaction time slows. Cortisol, your stress hormone, starts rising. Hour 24. Your brain is now functioning like someone legally drunk. Memory glitches begin. You reread the same sentence 5 times and it still doesn't stick. Hour 36. Micro sleeps. Your brain shuts down for 10 seconds without warning. You're technically awake, but parts of your brain are already offline. Hour 48. Emotions spiral. You snap at small things. Anxiety increases. Your immune system weakens. Your body thinks something is very wrong. Hour 72. Hallucinations begin. Shadows move. You hear whispers that aren't real. Your brain is desperately trying to force a reboot. Day 5. Paranoia sets in. You can't tell what's real anymore. Your coordination collapses. Speech becomes slow and broken. Day 7. Your body starts failing. Blood pressure rises. Inflammation spreads. Your heart is under extreme stress.